PJ again, 437 Motorsports. In this little video, I'm going to be doing the fuel filter on the Toyota. And hopefully I can get it to crank up and run, because it wouldn't start last time, stay running without some starter fluid. I'm hoping it's just the fuel filter's clogged up. If not, I'll figure that out and we'll show that too. But on these trucks, this is an 85 Toyota, the fuel filter is right there. It's just two lines in, one out, a couple little squeeze clamps, and just spring held in there. So I'm gonna pop that off, switch it out. Alright, so all you do is pop this thing off out of here. Now I had to redo the line, so I put a little extra line on it to get it where I can fool with it. And see if I can do this without a tripod. If you can see that. And just the squeeze clamp out of the way. Squeeze clamp. Get them out of the way there. Just your lines loose. Alright. So there's a new filter. As you can see, this one's had a little roughness. So I'm just going to put this line right back onto this new filter. That way I don't get them mixed up. There's that one. Sorry about that, I'm holding the camera between my knees. Alright. Squeeze the clamps back into place over the barbs. Always like to try to spread them so they squeeze tight. Let me just snap it back in place. And there you have it. If you got old carburetor engine and you don't have any starter fluid, if you have some flammable brake clean, you can use that as a starter agent. It will also fire up the engine. Hoping the fuel pump's still good. Get this straw on here to get a little more pinpoint. Go check the fuel filter, see if there's any fuel being pulled in. I don't see any fuel. All right. Well, I got it running. I guess it got fuel in there and I couldn't tell it. But I sprayed the carburetor again and fired it up and it stayed running. So now I'm gonna go get some firewood. as always, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Share it if you think it's some informational videos. Check out some of my other videos if you would. And thanks for watching.